I'd lasted about 3 months at uni, trying to be a dancer and do English and do all the right things, but it wasn't actually my passion. And I heard about CNM, so I went to an open evening, and Charlotte Gerson from the Gerson Therapy was there. And oh my gosh, she was just amazing. She blew me away with some of the things that she was saying about how the body could actually heal itself. And I signed up for a 5-year course that very day and absolutely loved it. I just kept learning from then on in because CNM offered so many good courses. And as soon as I'd qualified, I thought, now's the time to do something with this. So literally within 6 months, I'd been able to set up practice. I personally employ CNM students or CNM graduates. We have 5 CNM graduates here in different capacities, like as a nutritionist or an advisor within the shop, or even as a herbalist. The knowledge that they have is absolutely amazing, and I can trust them. I can really trust them with my clients. I've built up a business over the past 18 years, and that reputation is everything to me. So knowing that the CNM graduates have the right knowledge and also have the confidence to speak with my clients is great. I have no qualms about bringing on students because I know how good they are.
But I was looking to finish my old job, and I wanted to put myself in an environment where I was surrounded by herbs or nutrition or that kind of thing, because I knew if I didn't make the switch I'd probably just carry on doing my old job and not giving it up because of the money, basically. So yeah, and Gabi was looking for someone, so that's when I made that switch about 1.5 years ago.
I've now been lecturing for the CNM for about 6 years, and I lecture across the board as in the nutrition field, naturopathic field, and for the herbalism as well. And I love it. I think the lectures are so well structured. I love the information on the slides. I love the fact that it really brings it together quite cohesively for a student when they're then writing assignments about it. My husband often says to me, "You're so lucky that you love your job," and it's true, because if I won the lottery, I know full well nothing would change. I love what I do, and when clients are sitting with me, they actually say, "I can feel your passion, you love what you do, don't you?" I say, "I love it."